Today is a rainy day. Look at this rain. Look at this water. It's loud. Oh. So actually today is the day where I do the live stream. Did you guys watch the live stream? So in this early morning I am doing jogging with my son Rafa, and at that time I also do my first ever live stream, and it was awkward, and but at least I tried it, and I think I will do it again next time. And actually today we have a plan to go outside to have a dinner, because today Sunday we don't have our catering service, and so we have to go out to get our food tonight. But it just turned into like this. I plan to do some video taking in some restaurants, and I had a plan to make it a video about that restaurant like my video before, but we'll see we can do it or not. But tonight we have to go out, because if we don't go out we don't have any food. And tomorrow actually the Indonesian Independence Day, and my wife have to buy something for my daughter, because my daughter have a task from her school. It is to what is it, so she has to decorate his bike, because tomorrow is Indonesian Independence Day. We usually do that in Indonesia. So yeah, my wife have to buy some decoration things for my daughter. So we'll see we go or not today. Okay, so I decided to make my coffee by myself now, because I have nothing to do, and in a moment I will stop filming because I will use my phone to play with Rafa, play some games. And let's ask him. Rafa, how was our live stream today? It was fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, fun?
Yeah.
You want to do it again?
Mm,
Why? No, you don't want?
I don't know.
Why? You don't like live streaming?
I don't know.
You don't know? You have to talk English more, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, we will do live stream again?
Mm,
Why? Are you shy?
no.
No? So, we will do again, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Deal. 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 Toss. High five. Okay. We got it. We will have another live stream. Wow. Okay, I already took a shower, and good news, guys. I'll show you. Ta-da. So the rain has stopped, and we will go in about maybe 2 hours, but I will save your time. We will go in 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I already put our cars out of our garage, and right now I am waiting for my wife and my kids. They are preparing them, maybe they are changing clothes or something. So today we are gonna eat at a special restaurant. It's restaurant, but it's cheap and it is special. Why it's special, I'll tell you later. So okay, let's go. And we are full team. Yay! Let's go! So this is the situation here in Malang City, Indonesia. Today is Sunday, so maybe so many people are going out. But yeah, this is not yet in the center of the city, so we still cannot see many cars or motorbikes, but soon we will see. Okay, so here's the place and let's get in. Okay, we ordered our food and let's see. So one thing I will tell the detailed thing about this restaurant on a different video, but what's special in this restaurant is so you can take rice as many as you want, so you only have to pay for one person 5,000 rupiahs, but you can get as many rice as you want, so you will be full here. You will be no hungry anymore. I think it's not fair if I don't tell you what's the minus thing about this restaurant. So here they don't sell a proper coffee, so they sell coffee, but very ordinary coffee like Java coffee or something, which traditional coffee. So I order only tea here, but if you want some proper coffees after eating here, there is a good coffee shop just near here. I will do some review about that coffee shop at another video later. So we finished eating dinner, and how was that? Good?
Good.
Good? Full?
Full.
Aurel?
Full.
Okay, go to the next destination to buy some stuff for Aurel's task tomorrow, like I said before, so let's go.